If you're here, you're probably on your creative arts journey, working to develop and grow your skills. And whether you make art as a hobby or are hoping to become an artist, I want to share a way of thinking about the learning process that can help you see it in a more positive and motivating way. A lot of people, especially when they're starting out, tend to focus on all the skills and techniques they haven't learned or become proficient at yet, feeling that they're just not good enough. And that mindset can lead to a ton of frustration, and I've been there. Obviously, improving your skills is the most important thing here, but it's also a process that takes time. You're going to get better with practice and patience, and there are no shortcuts around that. What you should focus on, instead of all the things you haven't learned, is being proud of where you're at right now, no matter your skill level. Think about it, most people who say they want to develop their skills in anything really, not just art, but they never make it past getting off the couch. So stop stewing on all those skills you haven't developed yet. They'll come with time. If you've taken the first steps, and I mean any first steps, buying supplies, drawing circles, painting trees, whatever it is, be proud of that. Keep going and stay consistent, and you'll get where you're headed.